Assalamualaikum guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back another trekking day. So today is Sunday. This morning was heavy rain, so we decide to go for trekking. What's the name of this place again? Bukit Batok, I think. Bukit Batok Nature Park. So just now behind we saw so many trekkers from Philippines. They bring the dog. The dog follow behind. So now we turn right. So have to very be careful because the road is very wet, slippery. So this was my first time. Never run, never cycle, never swim. So today we brisk walk at Bukit Batok Nature Park. Look at that, all natural. This one, all the tree. This one like durian tree, maybe durian tree. See, look at in front. Look at the dress, very nice, the pink dress for trekking. Yeah, for trekking they advise to use this type of attire. See, look at that trekker. See, we can see the map there. Yeah, correct, the Bukit Batok Nature Park. See, maybe we go up to Quarry Cliff over here. We are point 1. Okay, come, let's go. Look at that. A lot of people today. See, bicycle. Dismount and push a bicycle. Oh, hey guys, this one very stiff. See, wow, those people trail run, trail run down here very good. See, little bit up, heart rate go up already. Wow, breathless already. Wow, good for cardio this one. Trail run, but trail run, yeah, I don't advise using without shoes. Very slippery. See, breathless already. See the big tree, this one. Maybe we walk 1 hour, but depend on the kneecap. Yeah. When you walk, when you run, of course, your knee, your ankle. Wow, different when you walk on the flat road and you walk on the hill here. As you see in front, uphill again. Very deep, I think, inside. Very deep. So in front, the big rock. That's why they call Bukit Batok. See the rock, a very big rock. Look at that nature. See? No feeding wildlife, no fishing. See? Look at that. I think a lot of turtle, a lot of fish. I think a lot of fish inside. See, big rock. See the water here never never dry. Huh? See, the water come from where as well, I don't know. Look at that. See, big rock, very big rock. So like we cross over, we cross, we can see there. Wow, big fish, big fish. Oh my god, look at that. Big fish. Very big lah. You can see inside. Very big lah here. Bigger than here. Very big lah this one. Very big lah this one. Very big fish. You see inside in front here, this one the rock or the clay. See the rock down there. Look at that in front. I don't know the water come from where. Look at that down there. Just now we saw very big fish. Oh, there got turtle there. Well guys, there's this one. There's two toilets, male and female. You can wash your hands, and then if you're thirsty, you can buy a drink from here. They got all kind of green tea, Pepsi, apple. I think must use coin, or you can use your Visa net down here. Very good. Water cooler. Let me try the water cooler. Very cool or not? Not very cool. Not very cool. Usually down there got shop. So now they close the shop. So down there all the exercise area in front. The tree drop. Because yesterday was heavy rain. Super heavy yesterday. Thunder. Yesterday was thunder. Long weekend, yeah. Tomorrow also holiday, yeah. Oh. Tomorrow is Hari Raya Haji, yeah. Tomorrow, so long weekend is very nice this area. Just walk. You can slow jog. Maybe from here to there, maybe 400 meters, maybe. Maybe try to slow jog. Slow jog. Oh, you can see the kneecap, yes. This one I don't know. Maybe rubber tree, maybe. Look at the rubber tree. Wow. We run maybe 100 meters breathlessly. We try again. Wow. Breathless. But down in nature, very nice. Can hear the sound of water. Good for walking, good for exercise, nature. I think in front, the main road, Maybe there's a coffee shop. We are back from trekking at Bukit Batok. So went to Giant today, and then we're going to cook vegetable today. So we bought 2 bitter cod, then we bought salmon. So later on we cook vegetables. We bought 2 chicken, and then we bought salmon, and we bought banana. So the cost of living in Singapore very expensive. So for example, like the chicken and the bitter cod and the salmon cost us about $30 over. Later you're going to wash with the hot water, and you're going to put some salt, otherwise bitter. Okay, this is the way to remove the seed. Very simple meal today. Flying. So we clean first. We clean the seed first. Now we slide the bitter cod here, very small, very thin. Okay, guys, we cook the peacock, some oil. Okay. This one, mostly I use this one, all in one seasoning here, this one. Can use everything. So I mix together with another one, chicken, something like chicken stock over here. Then going to use the oyster sauce. So oyster sauce we put a little bit. Alright. Mix together with the oyster sauce. Wow. Smell. So we put a powder, ocean powder. Then maybe we mix together with the some, what's it called, egg, cooked eggs. Oh, it smells. Alright, so we mix together all. Garlic. The sound because of this cooker hook here. Smell. So we put the bitter cod. Mix together. I think I have to put some oil, then some water. Then we put the chicken stock something like chicken stock, this one. For this one, yeah, no need to put salt maybe. So we put some water. So bitter pot with some smell like Maggi, no smell. Chicken, for some egg, we put 2 eggs. Oh, hungry, we very hungry. So we put the garlic powder, yeah. All in one season. So this one, yeah, I think maybe about 7 minutes maybe. So after this, we cover the bitter pot. Smell like Maggi. So we cover. To be honest, guys, my kitchen very small, very small. No choice. So we clean the cooker area. Sometimes like when you cook here, so come out all would get involved your wall. Have to wash the wall. Then I cook some chicken. So the gravy all go to the left. Alright guys, now the vegetables cook ready. So now we try to put some pepper, chicken, dry chili with sea salt. Yeah. Salmon. Alright guys, so now we try to cover for this one. Salmon.